Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn installing and configuring PostgreSQL in BackTrack or Linux operating system in Metasploit. An important feature of Metasploit is the presence of databases, which you can use to store your penetration testing result. Any penetration test consists of lots of information and can run for several days. So it becomes essential to store the intermediate result and findings. A good penetration testing tool should have proper database integration to store the results quickly and effectively. Metasploit comes with PostgreSQL as a default database. Let us first check out default settings of the PostgreSQL database. We will have to navigate to database.yml is located under opt/framework3/config. Let's open up terminal, type cd user/share/metasploit-framework. Type ls here. We can see that msf executable files, msfd, msf console, and so on. Let's open up database.yml file. Type cat user share metasploit framework config database.yml. Here you can see that database name, username, password, and so on. Using this username and password, let's connect with Metasploit database. Now let's open up MSF console first. Type MSF console. Let's first check available database drivers. Type db_driver. Rapid7 has dropped the support for MySQL database in recent version of Metasploit, so the db_driver command may not work. The only default driver supported with the framework in that case will be PostgreSQL. Now connect the driver to MSF console. We will use db_connect command. Type db_connect msf password @127.0.0.1, that is localhost 7175/msf. Here we can see that my PostgreSQL is already connected to MSF. If you want to disconnect, you can type db_disconnect command. So that's it in this video on installing and configuring PostgreSQL in Linux or BackTrack in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.